Hello everyone. So in this video I would like you to take a look at the trim installation with the extension trim for the 2x6 wall. So the first step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take the approximate measurement in order to prepare the stuff before I'm gonna mark everything up. So the header, I'm gonna measure 31 inch. Each side I'm gonna measure 81 in one leg. Since I said that I'm gonna do the 31 inch, it's just an approximate size. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut just enough to have extra in order to mark it up and cut exactly to the size I need. So now I'm gonna take the left and right side of the opening. So I put them the way it's left and right. And then as I took the measurement, we're gonna do 81 1/8. (81 1/8). Since I cut all of the pieces, the second step is to mark the trim. So as you noticed, you see I have this side lined up over there, and that side I mark exactly where I want it to be cut. See, I marked it up. Those side ones, I'm already good to put into the opening. So now, since I have two sides installed, I just need to cut the mark on the header one. Since I cut the header one, now I'm just have to install it. That's it. So now, since we have the extension trim installed, the second step will be installing the trim, the L-shaped trim, which we're gonna cut to the size later. So now, since I have a future trim template installed, I can mark the straight lane in order to cut the baseboard. So now, since the baseboard is notched, I can easily mount the trim. Flush with the baseboard. Now we're gonna move forward to putting the trim around the door. So what I'm gonna do, I have already a cut on a sawn straight angle, and now I'm just doing pretty much the same thing as I've done with the extension trim. So I'm just marking marking my future cut. Also, I'm measuring the height of my future trim. So we have 84.78 over here, and we have a little bit different over here. 84, can do 78. We don't have the floor yet, so the flooring install can match pretty much to any size. So 84.78. Just like I said, 84.78, two pieces. So now I'm just applying the liquid nails on the top of my surface. My header piece. Now, since I have my header piece installed, what I'm planning to do is take the side ones matching the height and just marking just a little bit higher than my trim, just like 1 millimeter higher. This side and the other side. As long as you flush over here, flat. So this is pretty much the trim installation with the trim extension between the frame and the L-shaped casing 2x6 wall. So on the inside is the same way. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure same 31 approximately by 84.78. 84.78, yes. Okay, so the same thing over here. So I go up until they're on the same height. On the same height, mark it up. I'm gonna also mark the hinge and the bottom hinge. So here's the hinge side. Just a little bit, like that much. Just like that much. So now, since all of the trim is already installed, all of the gaps are even, it's good to go with the handle installation.